Hey guys, it's Miss Leslie back at you again with another DIY video. Just as a reminder, I'm with Shades Out of School Time from New Hopewell Elementary. So last week we did a fun DIY video on over dyeing, and I over dyed a rug in my laundry room. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reverse dye an object. So just as a reminder, over dyeing, we took a rug, something that already had some existing color and existing pattern. We over dyed it to another color. So we changed the original color, we changed the colors in the pattern. It turned out really neat. Go check our Shades of Development New Hopewell Facebook page for an update. I put a picture up on Saturday, I think, showing it back in its place, all dry and sealed. So today we're gonna be reverse dyeing. This is much easier, much faster, and I guarantee you have the objects you need to already around your house. So I'm going to take two shirts because I've seen this done. I haven't actually tried it myself. So I'm going to take a light colored shirt and a black shirt, and you only need one supply, maybe two if you want to wear gloves, but you just need one supply. And for this one, I recommend it for more of our older kids because you are using a household cleaning item, so you may want to supervise them for this. Make sure they wash their hands afterwards, that they're not touching their face or anything before they've washed their hands from using it. But for this one, no joke, all you need is toilet bowl cleaner. If not, you can just use regular bleach. From the videos I've seen, this is what has worked the best and the fastest. So I'm going to be using some of my toilet bowl cleaner. If not, if you have just some bleach that maybe you use in your laundry, you can give that a shot. And we're going to be reverse dyeing, and that means we are going to be removing the color that is already in the shirt. So we're not adding color to it, we are removing color. So all you need is an old shirt, some toilet bowl cleaner, and let's get started. All right guys, I'm back. As you can see, I have wet both my shirts, and now as a reminder, I am doing two different colors. I'm gonna do a lighter one. This one's kind of a neon yellow, and this is a black one, and just we're gonna see kind of what the difference is between the two of them. So I've wet them. This one I've kind of swirled. This one I just scrunched up. It really doesn't matter how you do this. It just depends on what kind of pattern you want. So you can look up different ways to fold for certain tie-dye patterns if you want to do something cool. You can also kind of reinforce them a little bit if you have rubber bands, which I did not. So we're just free scrunching ours. And then I have my Clorox toilet bowl cleaner with bleach, and we are going to give this a shot. So let's try it. I can get it open. I'll sit you down just for a second. There we go. Okay. And the good thing is this is kind of a twofer. I mean, yeah, it's toilet bowl cleaner, but I'm sure it's gonna clean your bathtub just fine. Okay, and I'm gonna kind of turn these over just a little bit so I can kind of get the other side, keeping it kind of scrunched up. Okay, there's that one. There is that one. Okay, so they're both done. So we're gonna leave them sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll come check on them again. All right guys, it has been about 10 minutes. Right now I can kind of tell something with the lighter one, but not too much. But wow, look at the black one, that is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these out, and then we will see what they look like all unwrapped and rinsed. Okay, wow. This turned out so cool. And not gonna lie, while I was rinsing this out, I was thinking, what other shirts could I do this to? So as you can see with the lighter one, it didn't do too much because remember, this is reverse dyeing. So like in the rough video, we over dyed it, meaning we took another color and saturated it to change the color that was already there. Now with reverse dyeing, we are using bleach and we are removing the existing color. So where this one was so light, you can tell it did some things, but nothing compared to this one. I mean, this looks amazing. So here's another fun DIY for you to do. You're at home, you're going through clothes, you found some shirts, maybe you're thinking of getting rid of. Hey, just take some toilet cleaner, or if you have just some normal bleach, and give it a little update. I hope you guys enjoyed another fun DIY with Miss Leslie, and I will see you on the next one.